In this video, I will explain how you can add the image in your Photoshop document as a layer. So you can see that I have opened a simple Photoshop document and there is just one background layer over here. And now what I want to do is that I want to add image into this particular document as a new layer. So it's very simple. Basically what you do is that just to drag and drop the image on the top of this layer. So I'm just gonna go to the pictures and let us say we want to add this image, so just to drag and drop it over here, and you will notice that this particular image has been added and also the layer has been created for us as well. So you can see on the right hand side this layer is created with the name of the file, and once you're happy just click on this tick mark. That's it. You can see the image is added in this particular Photoshop document, and also new layer is created for this document as well, for this image. And once the image is over here, you can just reduce the size, whatever you want to do, you can do it here. That's it. Thanks for watching.